What's up, fellow citizens of the world? Jordan Patrick here, and welcome to my channel. So after 5 weeks of being confined here in France, we are finally free. We are in the first stage of the déconfinement, which means that we have a little bit more freedom, so we can walk around. And I figured, why not take advantage and go for a little walk, show you guys around Limoges. Donc on y va, c'est parti. To start off right now, we're gonna go to Saint-Martial, which is a really nice mall here in Limoges. And then after that, we're gonna go to Cathédrale Saint-Etienne, which is a really nice cathedral. And then after the cathedral, we're gonna go to the Botanical Garden L'Evêché, which is a really nice place that I didn't get to show you in the other walking tour in Limoges. So I'll be able to show you that one. I'm gonna link that other video up above if you haven't seen that one. So yeah, we're gonna start with the mall and then we're gonna walk towards the cathedral and park. Let's go. I'm noticing a lot of activity right now. There's a lot of people walking around. And already I see my first Christmas fixations. So Saint-Martial is a shopping center located on Avenue Garibaldi, open Monday through Saturday, 9:30 to 7:30 p.m. and Sundays during the holiday season from 10 to 6 p.m. I'm absolutely loving the Christmas decorations this year with all the polar bears and penguins. This mall is a great place designed for the whole family to shop, stroll, or simply meet up with friends. I've shared many coffee breaks here with my good friend Sasa, who you might have seen in a few other videos. Okay, so just as a reference point, something you should know is that here, if you're walking in the street, you are not required to wear a mask. However, when you enter a place, that's when the mask is required. So I personally have chosen to wear a mask at all times just for safety reasons for other people. So anyways, that is just a reference point, something to know in advance, because in Paris, people are required to wear a mask at all times outside of their homes. But yeah, here it's a little more free. And I just arrived at Place Jourdan, which is really nice. So I'm going to show you what this little place looks like. Place Jourdan is a short walk from the main train station of Limoges and surrounded by many restaurants and bars, including L'Atelier, which I mentioned in my Limoges walking tour video. And here we're approaching a very beautiful spot that has a great student nightlife scene, and it's located on the corner of Rue Haute Cité and Rue des Alloirs. And just around the corner you have the magnificent Roman Catholic church called Cathédrale Saint-Etienne de Limoges. This was a Sunday afternoon, and surely you can hear those impressive bells ringing in the background. The cathedral dates back to the 13th century and was built in 3 different architectural styles: Gothic, Renaissance, and Romanesque. Okay, so here we are behind Cathédrale Saint-Etienne, and just over here we have the Botanical Gardens. So let's go check that out. Although this garden is not quite as big as the Botanical Garden of Paris or the one I visited in Montpellier, which I'll link that video up above, it's still very impressive, featuring over 1,200 different plants, including many exotic species, as well as a few beautiful fountains. So this flower right here, it's called coquelicot in French. I love this word, by the way. And it's a poppy in English. And it's one of my favorite flowers because in California, that is considered our state flower. Holds a piece of my heart. And yeah, I love that word, coquelicot. Okay, so that sums up the day part of this tour. So we're gonna check back in Monday evening for the Christmas lights. I cannot wait So see you in a couple days. And then we'll go to Cathédrale Saint-Etienne, et puis it's so weird to do like French and English. And then we'll go to Cathédrale Saint-Etienne, et puis damn it, I did it again.